everyone, how are you? Today I have something will get your attention today. I got DHL knock my door with a big surprise. This is actually not a desk, this is the surprise. This is the biggest, the heaviest, the most powerful laptop ever made in the world. This is Acer Predator x21. Actually, it's too heavy than I expected. It's too big, too heavy. I can't. It needs two men to move it. So we will watch everything about this the most powerful laptop today, and I hope you will enjoy it. This is Mohammed Hagag from MH Vlogs. So actually we're gonna open this. By the way, the actual price today for this laptop is $10,825, which is a fortune for some people, and not many people gonna buy this laptop. They really take care of it. Wow, look how beautiful and how big is this suitcase. I'm suffering. Look how beautiful this pumpkin case. It's coming with very beautiful packaging. And they really take care of it. By the way, to enter this to Egypt, it takes 7 days in customs to make checking on these laptops and a lot of shit. They was afraid it is a bomb or something. It's come with 4 wheels. It's like you open a Resident Evil weapon, dude. What the fuck? I'm so excited. Are you ready, guys, to see this awesome laptop? Let's figure it out. Ta-da! Wow! Look at the packaging, but I'm not wondering it should be like that. It's really expensive, really awesome laptop. Wow! It's really heavy. Look what is there. Predator, born out of a love for gaming and pushing the limits of engineering and technology. This is the Predator 21X, breaking molds, tearing down expectation and giving you the power to conquer new world. It's really worth it, man. It's the best. Predator Premium Service, thank you for joining the Predator team. 2-year limited. Actually, I bought with this laptop 3 years guarantee against accidental damage and all this shit, because I don't want to get and make it hurt. So let's go and check this out. This beautiful, awesome laptop on my desk. Oh, wow, it's too big, guys. Too heavy. You need to know that. My new weapon. Wow. Oh my god, this 15-inch Mac is look like a small kid for this feast. Wow guys, take a look. We will put the Mac aside. It looks like a new Ferrari. Wow. So beautiful, so heavy. Acer Predator 21X. This laptop has only 300 version on the whole world. Let's see what is my number. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm so happy, guys. Actually, I put this here. It's magnetic. If you see, you can. It's like a touchpad or a full keyboard. You just put it here. It's go right away. She know her place. It's up to you. Here you can see, guys. My number is 116 of 300. Limited edition. Conquer new world. So let's run this beast. Let's take a look about the other stuff here before we run it. This is a place of charger. I take it off. On the desk, you can see it here. It's two big heavy chargers. Wow, too massive, man. It's like one of them like half of my MacBook. Actually, you can charge this awesome laptop with one charger, but you need to, if you're going to overclocking your processor. So let's see what's that. Wow. You can touch the quality here, guys. Really, it's so quality. I will take this off, yes. I don't know how to take this. Yes. Okay. Yes. So it's come with full keyboard. If you put this on the number, or you can use it as touchpad. And this looks so beautiful. I like it. Should I change it? I guess yes. Guess no. Let's see. Let's change it. Oh, it is different. Okay, it's good now. Yes. Okay, good, we good. D. I'm so excited, guys. I know you are very excited as I am to run this beast. We did this, like this blue patterns. It looks very beautiful. You can check out. It's the first world laptop curve screen. It's so beautiful, really. And it is anti-reflection also, which is wow. And it come here with I don't know what's that. Let's see what's written there. Maybe I use it. Conquer new world. Predator. Maybe I will use it. I like. I will use it. Oh, look what's here. These guys don't forget anything, man. Wow. Just wow. It is pen rest to rest your hand while you're playing or you're doing whatever you're doing. So let's run this piece. I can't wait to run it. But before I run it, there's something else. Wow. It's like Superman stuff. Batman stuff. So we put this inside here for the charger. Yes, I did the first. Let's go for the second round. I know, guys, you can't wait to open and check this laptop. Me too. Now looks very cool, man. This is my Apple stuff. I don't need, I guess, to use this now. It's green without plug-in. It's keeping energy, I guess. Are you guys excited to open this awesome the Beast laptop? It is really the Beast. I like it.